Okay guys, so we have the Google Plus set up, Blogger, Facebook, friend feed, Twitter, and now the last of all of them that we're going to set up is WordPress. So your blog is built in WordPress, or your blogging website is built in WordPress. Now we're going to actually sync that up with WordPress.com. So let's go ahead and type in here in the address bar WordPress.com. Head over there and let's get started. So get started, create a new account, and you're going to want to use again the same email address that we created for you on your WordPress blogging site. So mine is Brett at rockstartechnologies.net. I'll just let it create whatever username it generates for me right there. You guys can pick whichever one you want. Password. Okay, and again, make sure you save all of this information in your file that comes with your blog site, just so you have it for reference. And let's head back over here. Okay, so the blog address is going to be Brett438@wordpress.com. What you're going to want to do is change this blog address to whatever domain that you have. So ours is rockstartechnologies.wordpress.com. It is free. Let's see if it is available. Its site already exists, so let's do Rockstar Technologies 2013, and that one is available. So it is free for us to use, .wordpress.com, and what we're going to go do is create the free blog right here. Okay, so now we're going to want to complete the registration. It appears that I didn't put my email in correctly. And go ahead and re-put in all this information here. Okay, so since it already reserved that last one, let's just do, let's do Rockstar Technologies 200. And that should be available. Okay, perfect. So make sure your email is typed in correctly here, so when you click to create the blog, you can actually verify the site. And go ahead and click create blog. And for whatever reason, it is not working. Refresh the page here, and might have to go back through and do this over again here. Okay, so again, make sure all of your information is correct. Email, Make sure you have the correct username saved. Copy and paste that just for your records. We're going to want to copy this blog address as well, so let's type in blog address, Rockstar Technologies .wordpress.com. And again, it's just for your records, so you guys have all of this information because there's a lot of it. You want to make sure you can access it if you ever need to go back and fix any of the plugins or re-verify information or use it for anything else. So just important you guys keep track of all of this stuff. Okay, let's try this again here. Okay, there we go. So now what we want to do is go to our email and we want to verify the WordPress account. Very similar to how we did it for Twitter and some of the other ones. Activate the blog. And now we're going to set up the blog. So blog title, Rockstar Technologies 200. That was the name that I came up with. You most likely want to use the name that's contained in your domain name. Tagline, just put buy gold and silver at wholesale. Should be good, or you guys can put whatever you want in there. Language, obviously in English. You can choose any of these theme templates that they'll use to structure your blog posts on WordPress.com. I always just use the default 2011. Don't need to customize it. It will suffice the way that it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and click finish. We don't need to create our first post, so everything is done right here. So now what we want to do is we want to make sure we set this up on our WordPress actual site. So we're going to go ahead and click add new account, and we're going to make sure we click WordPress based blog. Account nickname, just name it WordPress blog, and the XML RPC URL is going to be, as it explains right below, the URL http / whatever you just named your blog. So mine was rockstartechnologies.wordpress.com, and you're going to add a /XMLRPC.php, and then you want to make sure that you put in your blog username and blog password. So again, this is all the information that we saved right here. Mine is Brett380, and my blog password is right there. So that should be an easy setup. Let's click update settings. WordPress based blog plugin, show settings, go down, submit test post for WordPress, and okay, it's saying that we're not allowed to edit the post, so let's go back to WordPress and take a look here and see what exactly could be going on here. So, oops. Brett380, XML, RPC. Let's make sure we have all of this information in here correctly. Oh, that was what the issue is. Okay, so I named my WordPress blog Rockstar Technologies 200 because Rockstar Technologies wasn't available. So make sure that you do have the right WordPress blog domain in there, and XML, RPC, PHP. Now let's go ahead and update settings again, show settings, and submit test post to WordPress. and it says OK, message posted. Click OK. You can even go back to WordPress.com, click refresh, and it will say one new post, and this is the test post. So again, all this stuff is just helping us get recognized by Google by syndicating all of our content to different social media forums on the internet. You can definitely go through and set this stuff up and personalize it for yourself, and there's plenty of tutorials online with YouTube, much like the ones that we're preparing for you guys. If you guys want to go deeper into how to set this stuff up, personalize it, and utilize it in different areas of promoting your business. So we're going ahead and wrap up this tutorial. Go ahead and feel free to leave any comments below, and we're going to do a couple more video tutorials here, so stay with us, and we'll show you how to finalize everything with Google Plus and wrap it all together. We'll see you in the next video.